Most people think that the 5D shift changes the world. But Dolores Cannon said it's something much more stranger than that. She said the real transformation happens after the shift is completed. And it's not going to happen in the sky. It's not going to happen in the government. And it's not going to happen in society. So what I'm going to do, guys, is tell you the certain changes that's going to happen once the 5D shift is completed. So let's get into this. Now, Dolores Cannon said that after the shift is completed, the individuals that are on the 5D frequency, consciousness, because that's what it is, it's consciousness that's going to change, not the world physically is going to be a 5D earth and then you're going to have a 3D earth. No, everybody's still going to be living on this earth. But the person or people that are living in the 5D consciousness, they're going to experience reality totally different from a person that's living in a 3D consciousness. And there are phases that the person that's living in 5D will start experiencing. And let me tell you the first change that you will experience. Time will feel more nonlinear. You know how everybody say, well, not everybody, but you know how they say that time is linear. Really, time is not real. We perceive time as linear. But in 5D, time will be more nonlinear. Dolores said that days will feel shorter. Memories will feel distant. The past will feel unreal. And the future will feel closer than it should. And what she means is that if you think about the future, boom, it's going to happen just like that. That's what happened when you are in the 5D consciousness. But since people are going to experience different realities, time might speed up faster than others. Time might be slower than others because you are experiencing your reality. Whatever you want to happen in your reality, that's how you're going to experience time. Change number 2. People will start mirroring their inner state. So Dolores Cannon said, after the shift, however you see yourself inside is going to reflect on the outside immediately. For example, if you are a very authentic person, it's going to mirror, you're going to mirror that on the outside of you in your life as you go through life. So all the people around you are going to be just like you. They're going to be authentic. Also, if you're a very confused person, then everybody around you and things in your life are going to be very confusing. And for many people that are chosen ones, it's going to feel very uncomfortable to you, because if you feel like you are different and misunderstood and isolated, you're going to reflect that on the outside. So that's just something you need to be aware of. Now, the third change you would experience, unexplainable symbols and signs will appear. So signs like repeating numbers, strange dreams, and unusual body sensations, and sometimes symbols in the body itself. And speaking of symbols, people that have the different symbols on their hands, like the M mark, the X mark, or the half moon mark, these people will definitely feel body sensations in their hands. So your hands might be tingling. Your hands probably be warm or get warm at times, because people that have these symbols on their hand while they're in 5D is going to activate their abilities. When your abilities are being activated, you're going to feel those sensations in your hands and also throughout your body. Speaking of people with these symbols on their hands, if you want to learn more about these symbols, I wrote an ebook called The Mark Ones. And to get this book, just scroll down to my description area and you're going to see a store with all the ebooks in there. I have more than one ebook. So go check that ebook out and learn about these symbols. Also, guys, speaking of the body, during this transition, you need to get your body on a high vibration. Just because your mind is on a high vibration doesn't mean your body's on a high vibration. So that's why I take Vibe High supplements. I take these on a daily basis. They're organic and all natural. And I especially take this one supplement called Dream On. It helps you get a good night's sleep and it recharges your body. So every day when you wake up, your body is on a high vibration. Go check that out also down in my description. You're going to see a link that says Vibe High Supplements. And guys, if you're really serious about understanding these marks on your hand, Dolores Cannon teaching, the shift that's going on this planet, you can join my community that I'm starting very, very soon. It's called the Mark Souls Inner Circle. It's a private community. It's totally free. So if you want to join that community, just click on the link in my description. You're going to see where it says Mark Souls Inner Circle waiting list. Click that link and you'll be notified once the community is open. Now, the fourth change, your intuition will not be emotional anymore. So before the shift, your intuition is probably feeling very emotional. But after the shift, it will become precise. So you will know when to leave a situation, when to speak, and when something is off. Because right now, it might be sporadic. You might feel this way and might feel another way. And sometimes you're right about something, sometimes you're wrong about something. But not when you get to the fifth dimension. You're going to be precise every time. Change number 5. People react strongly to your presence. So guys, your presence will affect people that's around you. It's going to affect them in different ways. So some people might be inspired by you. Some people might be threatened by you. And some people might be confused by you. It all depends on where these people are in their journey and in their reality. Because you got some people that are looking for the truth, looking to become a better version of the self, looking to ascend to a higher vibration. But you got other people that are still stuck in the matrix, still stuck in the system. And so they will feel threatened by you because you're on a higher vibration. You have a 5D consciousness. They still have a 3D consciousness where it's all about chaos, drama, confusion. So you need to be aware of how these people are going to react. So now you know, guys, that the 5D is not going to be all rainbows and roses. It's going to be totally different than what people say it's going to be. So I just want you to be aware of the changes that will happen. And if you are a chosen one, Dolores Cannon said that you will feel it first before anybody else. So be prepared and be ready because you came here with a purpose. Now, guys, if this video resonates with you, let me know down in the comments. So let me know if you're ready for the 5D shift. Just type 5D down in the comments below. And guys, if you want to talk to me about this, Before I open up the community, the private community, you can catch me live on Twitch. Just go to twitch.tv/wokereg and give me a follow. If you want to learn more about the fifth dimension, click on this video right here. Peace, get woke, and keep rising.